setup what we have, it's basically steel fabrication machineries we are dealing with, and we are one of the largest suppliers of the machinery in UAE.
Sir, first of all, thank you very much for agreeing to talk with me. We are in Expo, Steel Fab 2024, talking with another wonderful company, and I will show you later how huge setup they have. Sir, if you can please introduce yourself and your company, please.
Yeah, so we are working with NIMAX Industrial Tools. We are based in Sharjah Industrial Area 2, and you can see the setup right now, what we have here right now, and the setup what we have, it's basically steel fabrication machineries we are dealing with, and we are one of the largest suppliers of the machinery in UAE, and we have our special products starting from the fiber laser cutting machine, which is part and parcel whenever you step into the steel fabrication machineries and steel fabrication works. So it's a part and parcel for any sort of work that starts from the steel fabrication. So starting from the CNC laser machine, we have a number of machines that varies up to the laser welding. We have hypertherm, which is a plasma cutting machine, and then we have NC CNC press brake machine, NC machine ranging from Eastern controller, and the other one is CNC, which is we are dealing with 4+1 axis machine. So there are very much machines which are used in all sort of steel fabrication. So
you said 4+1. Which machine is that? Milling?
No. 4+1 is a press brake machine. It's a CNC press brake machine. So what it does is it has a separate sort of axis to help you with any sort of difficult bendings, which can help you with the particular angles you are working with, and which can also help you to get the precise bendings in some sort of complicated steel structures. So
for how many years? How old is this company?
This company has been established in late 90s, and it's been almost like over 30 years now that company has been established in Sharjah, and we have around 2,000 to 3,000 we have supplied machines to the local companies in UAE, and we have a set of customers in the Middle East as well, and I myself have supplied to all other GCC countries, and we have a good portfolio in all over UAE when it comes to the steel fabrication.
That is very good number. So sir, the question is that who are your end users?
Our end users, basically, we are dealing with both traders. So our end users are basically starting from the metal fabricators, which can be of different sort of facilities. Let's say they can be duct manufacturers, they can be car manufacturers, they can be facades manufacturers, and all sort of people who are working with the steel fabrication. They are our end users, and mostly we have people who are reselling our products and working as a trader. So we have a bunch of customers who are already selling our customers to most of the machines as well on their behalf. So we are covering both of these fields. So
these machines, you are manufacturing these machines?
We are not manufacturing, we are the traders. So we are bringing the machines ranging from the German, Italian, Chinese, and these sort of machines we bring from all over the world. And we are the sole agent for all those particular machines. Especially if you talk about GVK, we are bringing this machine from China, and we are the only authorized supplier in UAE. And apart from that, if you talk about Ray Tools, we talk about Yangli, we talk about Omega and all, we are only a sole agent to sell that machine in UAE. So we have plenty of customers for that, and anybody who's into this field has complete idea about how this machine particularly works, and especially about the fiber laser cutting machine, which is like new technology right now. Anybody who's especially getting into this field, these are something that are on the top notch, the fiber laser cutting machine and the fiber laser welding machine. So it's one of the and we are on the top notch reseller for this machine.
So looking at the size of your machine and the industry you are catering, I doubt you do any educational institutes as well.
Education, we have supplied to some educational institutes, and what we actually do is we will give them the training, and they keep some sort of equipments in their facilities, let's say in a university or college, and what they do is they use it afterwards to train to the students about how these machines work. Because when again I'm repeating the same thing, because obviously it has a value of repetition, that whenever you jump into the steel fabrication, and because it is one of the vast industry in the world right now, steel fabrication. So you know how the world is growing, and how every day, like if you go back to 10 years, you can see the...
If you can tell us something about your background, your education, and for how many years you are into this field?
I am from Pakistan. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I've been in this industry for past 7 years, and I've done my bachelor's from Pakistan, and then this is the field where I stepped in, and I've polished myself a lot, because again, like I've already told, that it's one of the booming industries right now, the steel fabrication.
Which university?
From Capital University of Science and Technology. It's in Islamabad.
Pindi, Rawalpindi, Cust.
Cust, yeah, I think you must be aware of it. So, it used to be Muhammad Ali Jinnah University, and now it has been changed to Capital University of Science and Technology.
Turning out to be great. So, any advice for the students? Any students who want to join the career, who is inspired by you and they want to start a career? Any advice?
It's one of the best, career option that you could opt. Either way, you can go into the fabrication, or you can go to the units who are selling the fabrication machines. You will learn a lot. And it's a very, very good progressive, field of engineering. Whether you not only get to learn how these machines actually work, you get to learn the end users, how they are literally using these machines and taking the full output out of it. So it's going to be very good for your experience. I mean, if you work down the line for a couple of years, like 5 years or 10 years, it will give you a very, very good confidence, and it will let you know about how exactly it's working in all over the world. And again, it's one of the booming industries right now.
Do you recommend any students who are graduating now to start a business, or should they, just like you, first work with someone?
See, it's a very subjective thing, that whether, because it depends upon person. See, for me, if it's about my choice, I would rather want to visit many countries. I would rather want to study a lot about my specific field before stepping into it and working on my own, because it's something that would give you more confidence if you have an idea about how this market actually works, especially how this steel fabrication actually works. So if you have a good experience of, let's say, 5 years or 10 years or maybe more than that. So it's going to help you with any other endeavors that you are going to be pursuing afterwards.
Just one last question. Who is your stylist?
I myself, because I really don't have any role model. I've been studying on my own. I just look for stuff online, and ultimately it's I gel up all of the things and then make something on my own. Let your students know as well. Just be yourself. This is something that would help you be yourself, and again, it will help you being a bigger person. Yourself. Yeah.
Camera is not covering, but from top to bottom you can see black color going on with contrasting jacket. So of course, I mean, I can see the details. So I'm appreciating it. Yeah.
It gives you confidence. Don't go for the side myths that you would only feel confident if you are full formal, or you will not be confident if you are casual. No, the confidence lies within here. It's all in the brain. You wear good, you feel good, and when you feel good, the confidence speaks for itself.
Absolutely.
Thanks, man.